Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ versus the Nissan GTR. Let's dive into their performance. The SVJ, with its naturally aspirated V12, delivers an exhilarating sound and feel, producing over 750 horsepower. The GTR, on the other hand, offers incredible twin-turbo V6 power, often exceeding 600 horsepower in its top trims. Both are speed demons, but they achieve their velocity in very different ways. When it comes to driving dynamics, the SVJ is a pure supercar, demanding attention with its precise steering and firm suspension, perfect for the track. The GTR, however, is renowned for its advanced all-wheel drive system and sophisticated electronics, making it incredibly capable and confidence-inspiring on various roads. It's a high-performance machine that's surprisingly easy to drive fast. Visually, these cars are worlds apart. The SVJ screams exotic with its sharp lines, massive rear wing, and dramatic presence, truly a head-turner. The GTR, while still aggressive, has a more understated, purposeful design that emphasizes its engineering prowess. The SVJ's limited production also adds to its allure, making it a collector's item. Considering value, the SVJ is a high-end, exclusive supercar with a price tag reflecting its rarity and performance. The GTR, often called a supercar killer, delivers incredible performance for a fraction of the cost, making it a fantastic performance bargain. For daily usability, the GTR offers more practicality. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.